Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Disclaimer: this is not financial advice. The information on this channel is provided for educational, information, and entertainment. Binance Chain, is it decentralized or centralized? With the astronomical rise of the cryptocurrency market in the last few years, different exchanges and platforms have started that are dealing with trading, selling, and buying of cryptocurrency. One of the most popular and reliable among them is the Binance Chain. Binance Chain is a blockchain project that was initiated by Binance. This platform allows the users to issue, exchange, and use digital assets on the blockchain. The native token of the Binance Chain is Binance Coin. It is optimized for ultra-fast trading. Binance Chain wasn't as flexible from a programmability standpoint as other blockchains, so Binance Smart Chain (BSC) was introduced, a new blockchain with a full-fledged environment for developing high-performance decentralized applications. BSC was built to ensure that users get the best of both worlds with the help of cross-chain compatibility with the Binance Chain. Binance Chain is a simple design in terms of its application, and the main goal is to facilitate fast trading while handling large loads. Whereas Binance Smart Chain is a blockchain network built for running smart contract-based applications. BSC runs in parallel with Binance's native Binance Chain, which allows users to get the best of both: the high transaction capacity of Binance Chain and the smart contract functionality of Binance Smart Chain. Furthermore, Binance Smart Chain also implements the Ethereum virtual machine, which allows it to run Ethereum-based applications like MetaMask. The platform aims to enable developers to build decentralized applications and help users manage their digital assets cross-chain with low latency and large capacity. Changpeng Zhao founded Binance and launched it in 2017. Changpeng Zhao is a prominent figure in the crypto world who has appeared frequently on podcasts, events, and news sites to promote and explain Binance's very ambitious vision. Having launched at the height of interest in the crypto market in 2017, Binance managed to raise $15 million within 10 days of launching its initial coin offering and has since become one of the best cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Binance did not mention its plans to create a decentralized exchange clearly in its white paper. In April 2019, when Binance announced the development of the Binance Chain officially, it fleshed out these plans more clearly. The Binance Chain would focus on trading blockchain assets with a focus on performance, ease of use, and liquidity. As it is pretty clear now that Binance Smart Chain is a decentralized platform, whereas the Binance Chain is a centralized exchange. Both centralized and decentralized exchanges have their pros and cons, some of which are explained further. Centralized exchanges operate and are in complete control of their own software and platforms. Their users entrust them to hold assets and execute trades on their behalf. When one buys and holds a cryptocurrency on a centralized exchange, the coin is often in a centralized address by the exchange. The only thing that happens is a ledger balance change at the exchange itself. "Not your keys, not your coins" is often used to warn anyone buying from the exchange. The centralized exchanges are vulnerable to problems associated with holding users' funds. Those who traded on Mt. Gox in 2014 learned that lesson the hard way when the exchange collapsed, and hundreds of thousands of Bitcoin went missing from its hot wallet. A decentralized exchange, however, gives more freedom to its users. They are usually not controlled by one central authority and is able to function because it is run on a blockchain network. The benefit of DEX is that no party controls a user's funds, which is also known as non-custodial. Being non-custodial means that funds are not vulnerable to hackers or the incompetence of exchange managers. They are also permissionless, which means that there is no need to register to use a DEX so anyone on the planet can do so without revealing any personal information. Centralized and decentralized exchanges have been working since the days when Bitcoin started. In the beginning, only centralized exchanges dominated the trading, with competition coming from other centralized exchanges only. However, with the sudden boom in decentralized exchange, DEXs are growing faster than their centralized counterparts. One of the most attractive phenomena to the new users is decentralized exchanges is yield farming, where users get token rewards for participating in DeFi systems. It has undoubtedly made it easier for traders to maximize returns. The market of DeFi is now booming and is filled with all kinds of lending and borrowing protocols, many of which are competing with one another to provide users with meteoric yields. Nowadays, decentralized finance has been rolling the headlines and capturing the imagination of traders. And some of the biggest centralized cryptocurrency exchanges seem to be afraid they're missing out. Most of the DeFi apps share a similar vision: creating a financial system that works more equitably, shifting control away from institutions and towards the users. For instance, Binance offers a comprehensive suite of financial products that mirrors those found in traditional markets. On Binance, the users are able to sell, buy, and trade crypto, apply for crypto loans, choose options for future trading, earn passive income, and a lot more, just with a single login. Liquidity, security, and stability are the three things users generally care about. And these are the characteristics that enable trust and reliable earnings to take place. Today, Binance users can access DeFi-inspired products like staking, lending, and pooling services. In addition, there's a $100 million fund to encourage developers to build decentralized finance projects on Binance Smart Chain. There are many DeFi projects that regularly start on Binance Smart Chain, and there is a huge possibility of the next killer app being among them. The Binance Smart Chain is a speedy and low-cost dApps platform for crypto users to enjoy. More and more people are using the Binance Smart Chain for buying, selling, or holding crypto. Until Ethereum's continued struggle with slow transaction speeds and unreasonably high transaction fee isn't solved, we can expect to see the increased adoption of more affordable alternatives like Binance Smart Chain. It seems we've already reached the turning point when it comes to DeFi adoption. The enduring appeal of decentralization and financial self-custody is mainly the original promise of blockchain technology. DeFi is bringing more and more financial opportunities for people. As such, decentralized finance provides the terminal trajectory for the future of crypto. However, it will need the help from CeFi platforms, which will be, for many users, the gateway through which they access decentralized finance for the first time. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you next time.